Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This process video is using the Hip Kit Club, I think it's the February 2020 kit, and I've just actually used some of my own die cuts as well just to fit in. It's actually a scrap lift of one of their DT members for their current weekly challenge, and it was sort of rainbow themed. So just doing the background now, and I'm just going to use three colours, which is this pink, it's going to be a bluey green and a blue, and I'm just doing a very light background. So I've prepped the background of my cardstock with just some clear painting medium, which I quite like to use when I'm doing watercolouring. I'm still just having a play around with different ways of priming that cardstock. Now I actually thought I was filming, but I wasn't, so I missed out there but about the other two colours, but it was just the same as the pink. Now I'm just doing my splatters, and to make the bluey green I've just combined the blue that I was using with a green watercolour just to give that difference with the bluey green. And I'm just drying it off now with my heat gun. And I always dry the back and the front of the cardstock. Now I've actually made some die cuts out of vellum, and they're sort of like little clouds background, so the three different colours that I've used, the pink, the blue, green and the blue, and it's using a Sizzix cloud die cut, and this is Kaisercraft Rainbow clouds die cut, so I've just cut it out of plain white paper. This photo I'm using, my daughter, like I said earlier, my daughter is about 10 months old there, and I really love that. Just she was always really happy and smiling, loved having a photo taken. So I'm just working out roughly where I'm going to place the embellishments. I'd already chosen those off film, so I take far too long in choosing, and I'm sure you didn't really want to see all of that. So I've just I'd actually cut one of the embellishment pieces in half because I just wanted to use one half of it. So I'm just giving an idea of where I want to place everything before I start adhering. Those two top pieces, I don't end up placing those, but you'll see those. I do something different there, and that was just also part of the scrap lift. So I've actually just stitched those vellum pieces onto the paper with matching thread rather than using adhesive. And here I'm just now relaying everything, and I'm just going to start attaching the rest of the embellishments onto the page. So some of the items I just adhere directly to the background, so I think it's always good to give lots of dimension to these layouts. So some I raise up higher than others, and so I think I probably have about 3 different levels of dimension. I also use a mixture of adhesive dots. I use craft foam, which you can see here, which is adhesive on one side, and then I'll just glue with my foam glue when I'm sticking it down, and then obviously you can attach with stitching and have other clear adhesives that I can use as well. Just depends on what effect I'm looking for really. So I've attached that embellishments, I've attached those together, and I'm just using my foam glue now to attach that to glue that to the background, and I just to give it a 30 seconds or so with something heavy on top of that, just so the glue sticks down. And here I just attaching one of the puffy embellishment sentiments. I don't use that black one in the end, though that embellishment, it's just 2 separate ones stuck together, so I'd already done that previously. and I'm just looking at picking some hearts off the puffy sheet, which is from obviously from the same kit. And here I've actually finished the layout. You'll see in the top there I've just put some more embellishments and just done some stitching on that side with the 3 different threads that I've used. So I haven't actually obviously filmed the whole process. I hope you don't mind that. And obviously one part of it was because I thought I was filming and I wasn't, and the other part was I did cut some out. So hopefully it's given you enough of an idea of how I go about putting layouts together. But actually really happy with the look of this, and it's always fun to add lots of different types of embellishments and stitching and all sorts of things to layouts to give it a unique look. So thanks for watching, and love you to subscribe to my channel and come back for further videos. Thanks.